have a long neck. I have brown spots.
Giraffe.
Ano? Andi ka ni.
Elephant.
Yeah. Who am I? I am colorful. I grow in gardens. Bees love my smell.
Flowers.
Yes. Andi kleto. Do na le. Who am I? I am a musical instrument. I can be played with 2 sticks. I am colorful.
Violet.
I am colorful.
Styrofoam.
Yes. Andi kleto. Do na. Who am I? I fly in the sky. I am diamond shaped. You tie me with a thread.
Tie. Kite.
Mo?
Kite.
Oh, kite. Dati di kleto. Le, do na le. Am syara le.
Yeah.
Who am I? I am a fruit. I can be red or green. I grow on trees.
Apple.
Di kleto. Do na le. Who am I? I am an animal. I have black and white stripes. I look like a horse.
Zebra.
Dik. Do na. I am a furry house pet. I like to chase mice. I say meow meow.
Kitten. Cat.
Cat. Andi ka ni.
Kitten. Kitten.
I am used in birthday parties. Kids love me, pop me, and I will burst.
Balloon.
Yes, andi ka ni. Who am I? I am cold. I am on top of a cone. I taste yummy.
Ice cream.
Oh yeah, shit, hey, tutup. Do na le. I live underwater. I have 8 legs. I have a big head.
Jellyfish.
I have 8 legs.
Hey. Octopus. Jellyfish ka mo ka timaya.
Next na. Who am I? I love bones. I am intelligent. I say woof woof.
Duck.
Hindi ka ni. I am king of the jungle. I can roar. I have sharp claws.
Tiger.
King of the jungle.
Lion.
Ma?
Lion.
Liar. Ito next. I live underwater. I am bell-shaped. I can sting you.
Jellyfish.
Hindi ka ni. I am yellow in color. I am found in the sky. I give light to all.
Mr. Sun.
Mr. Sun. Hindi ka ni. I am a bird. I like red chilies. I am green in color. I am a bird.
Spirit.
Siyam ito. Ito nga. You can stand under me. I have a handle. I protect you from the sun and the rain.
Umbrella.
Oh, siyalutok. Hey, digleto. I have a trunk. I have 2 big teeth. I am big and gray.
Great white shark.
I have a trunk. I am an animal.
Elephant. Elephant.
Digleto.
Elephant.
Ito na siya lawangin. Oh, I am the national fruit of India. I am yellow in color. I am juicy and sweet in taste.
Mango.
Siyalutok. Igtingin siya. Vexo. I live underwater. I am the biggest fish. I am blue in color.
Great white shark. Shark.
I am blue in color. I am the biggest fish.
Where you shark?
Whale shark o man. Whale. Tap.
Whale.
Hey.
But whale shark there.
Asya di.
Great white shark ka mo ka timaya.
I am the biggest cat. I eat other animals. I am the national animal of India.
Tiger.
Shulutuk hey tiger. I am brown in color. Birds lay eggs in me. I am found on trees.
Nest.
Oh yeah, digleto. Hey. I sail in the water. I am a type of a boat. You can use me for racing.
Yacht.
Adik. I am a musical instrument. Use about to play with me. I am brown in color. I am a musical instrument.
Violet.
Violin.
Violin.
Hey. Top. Bear the tunito. I am white in color. I eat carrots. I am also known as bunny.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Adik.
Rabbit.
Tuna. I am made with bricks. I have doors and windows. A family lives here.
Mansion and house.
Hey. Adik ka ni. At
Dog
siyang.
house. Depon ni man.